I'm going to show you how to create a custom object in HubSpot. So to create a custom object in HubSpot, you just go to settings. Once you click settings, you're going to come to objects, and then under objects, there is a place where you can see the custom object. You click custom object, and then here you're going to create custom object. So as you can see, they're giving us kind of like an example to follow. So, for instance, you have an object can be, let's say, practitioners, practitioner. Oh yeah, we already have that one there. Let's say doctor, and then you have doctors, and then here you can put your description. And then there also we have like this is an example. You can say doctor name, and then here you can have like type, you just say single line text, and then you want this doctor name to be unique, require unique value for this property. You click unique, for instance, create a secondary display properties, profession, and then here single line text as well. You can add more property here if you want to. So, and then once you finish, you click create. Yeah, so once you click create, so you go to contact, you go to custom object, and then here you're gonna see well, we know here we see doctors, where's the doctors. Let's check this one up nicely. Oh yeah, sorry, we have to page. So you click custom object, and then so let me just check your object idea for this one. Yeah, so in case if you don't find because it's getting delayed to pop up here, if you don't find it here, you can come to, so you can just click contact, and after that you come here, the drop down, you're gonna see the list of all the objects, CRM object, doctor, and then BAP, you click doctor there. So there we have your doctor there. After that you click create doctor. So there you can put the profession, and then here you can put the name of the doctor, John Doe, and then here it can be like any type of doctor that you can put there. And then yeah, so you can add some other properties, email address and blah blah, so all the stuff that you can add there. And then you can click create doctor. So let's say for instance we want to create doctor. Let's say we want to go to add, to bring this one to be like on top there, because it's gonna make sense. You save, and then we go back again to create doctor, go back doctors, and then you click create doctor. As you can see now we have doctor there up there. Yeah, so this is the way of creating custom objects in HubSpot. Thank you so much. If you like this video, click a thumbs up and subscribe for more.